Today I'm making tacos al vapor or steamed tacos. You can fill these tacos with just about anything, and there's several ways to cook them. This is just how I like to make them. All you have to do is get your fillings ready, cover your tortillas in lard or oil, load them up with your fillings, and steam them. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. To put these tacos together, you're going to need some fillings. Again, use whatever you want. Just make sure it's not anything super wet. I've got some chorizo mixed in with some mashed potato in one bowl, and in another I've got some of that 18-hour slow cooker shredded beef I showed you how to make a few weeks ago. I just strained out as much of the liquid as possible. There's about a cup of filling in each of these bowls. You'll also need 16 corn tortillas and some melted lard or oil. I'm starting off by heating my tortillas in the microwave, just a couple of minutes so they're pliable and don't break when we start folding them. Now let's place 2 tortillas on a sheet of foil and brush them with your lubricant of choice. I'm using lard. Make sure you get both sides and try to work quickly so everything stays warm. Next, I'm adding a bit of the chorizo and potato filling onto half of one tortilla, some beef onto half of the other, and folding them over. Then sealing the packet. Just fold the top and bottom over the tacos, then the sides. For steaming, you can use a pot with a little steaming tray like this. This is what I usually use, but today I'm trying something new. I'm going to fill up my pan with water, add a bamboo steamer, cover it up, and bring it to a boil. Now just add your taco packets in. Cover it back up and let this steam till the tortillas have softened. I let mine go for about 45 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on the water, refilling if it runs out. Once the cooking time is up, carefully unwrap your taco present. These look so good. And plate them up. I'm just adding a little shredded cabbage, totally not lettuce because I forgot to pick up some cabbage, and some of that red salsa I made last week. This is just one of the many ways to make these steamed tacos. This is how I make them when I want them quickly, but I definitely want to revisit this, making them the more traditional way, covered with onions, soaking everything in red peppery oil to steam. My tortillas ripped a little bit because they got cold while my water came to a boil. You want to make sure you keep everything warm, otherwise the tortilla may start to fall apart. I'd recommend you start boiling your water while you fill your tacos, and work quickly to keep everything warm. And these tacos taste amazing. They're warm, soft, greasy, everything you want from a taco. The lard and steaming really make the tortilla super soft, and I really love how the flavors of the filling start to seep into the tortilla, really giving everything more flavor. With all the lard in these, I definitely don't recommend you eat these daily, but they're a nice once in a while comfort taco. Give these a try and let me know what you think. If you make any of my recipes, I'd love to see how they came out. Tag me on Instagram at Michael with 4 H's. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, please subscribe. Would love to have you around. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you next Thursday.